We are hitchhiking to Arizona. All I got is this backpack and some wishful thinking. So basically, what I'm gonna do is, I think all you need to do is just like stick your thumb out to hitchhike. So that's what we're gonna do. This may take a week, this may take a few days. I guess we'll find out. I need to figure out which way to go first. Oh, crossing the street, slightly illegal. That's fine, that's fine. I think all you do is just stick your thumb out. So we'll see how long this takes. This may take an hour, this may take...
Hey, you need a ride?
Yeah, where are you going?
Phoenix.
Oh, dope.
Hop in.
Sick. Alright, we made it. Mike is over there warming up for the mountain. We are running up this trail. It goes here and goes around to there, up, 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 and then up. Okay, to be honest, the picture doesn't do it justice, but this mountain sucks. Like, sucks. If you can get 10, like, that's very impressive. So I'm gonna try to aim for 10. I think Mike's gonna aim for like maybe like 5 or 6 or 7. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on each run. It's gonna hurt a lot. I'm gonna take the camera up for the first one, but after that we'll see how that goes. It's definitely gonna be shaky, so no judgment. It's a sprint up and then you walk down. First one.
Ready?
Yep, you got it. Oh goodness. That view though.
That view.
Don't mind the heavy breathing. So, one down. Basically how this works is we run up and your rest is the walk down. So obviously there's not much rest because you're loading your quads the entire time. It's getting kind of dark and I'm so blind. So far, one wasn't bad. I do feel my heartbeat in my ears though. How was it, Mike?
Horrible. See how many more I have.
What are you aiming for?
More than 6.
More than 6?
More than 6.
Okay. You know the rules right when you get back. Round 2.
It's a beautiful new day. Hey. Running down the avenue.
There we go. Number 2. From right there to here is like straight uphill. It's the worst part, but the beginning is like super flat on the first 100. So you're like, oh, I can do this easy. Nope. All right, number 3. Here we go. Woo. Three down. I don't feel in my quads. It's just lungs, which is weird. What?
My legs are starting to burn.
Okay, 3 down. Honestly, we might only get 1 or 2 more just because it's getting super dark. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but I turned the brightness up and it still looks pretty dark. We just don't want to slip because this gravel isn't like, it's not paved or anything. It's literally just running on straight rocks. We might just get maybe 1 or 2 more and stop, which is fine because it's still a good workout. Okay, yeah, you can tell how dark it is through this. Like, you can barely see. Again, running on straight rocks. I'm not trying to die today. 1 more?
Yeah.
All right, 1 more. Number 4. Oh my gosh, you can't even see my fingers. I'm gonna give him some space. Don't let me catch you. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Here we come. Here we come. Dang, it is pitch black. You can't see a thing. How you feeling?
Okay. Legs hurt.
On the walk down, it's usually way worse. Just means getting more in shape. All right, let's call it. Calling it after 4. It's dark, literally pitch black, and we're running on rocks. Maybe we'll do this later, maybe not, we'll see. I'm starting to feel it a little in my quads right now. Just a little bit. 18 minutes, 200 calories. That ain't bad, especially considering half of it was walking. So for those that want a quick workout, minute on, minute off intervals, it works. Burns calories
Find a hill.
real fast. Just find a hill,
Up a street.
run up it.